Okay, here we are in the Epcot, Walt Disney's Epcot. This is the Garden Grill restaurant right here. And this is a character meet and greet. I did see Chip and Dale walking by earlier. I don't know who else they have here yet because we have reservations to go inside there. But I also wanted to show you guys what this place has offered because it's pretty big. So you take a look at that. But on the other side here, there are this is called Seasons, and it's a walk-up service. So the Garden Grill, you have to make reservations, and it's a sit-down table service. This one here is more cafeteria style, called Seasons. And as you can see, there's plenty of seating here to sit down, cool off, grab lunch. There's a suite section over there. Off to the left over here is Living with the Land, one of the rides. Up there is Awesome Planet, and that's a show. And then over here to the right of me is Soarin', one of probably my favorite ride here at Epcot. I know it's a little older, but it's still awesome. But in this little pavilion here, there is a lot going on, and they do decorate it pretty cool. It's all air conditioned, so if you do need to get in out of the heat, this is a good place to kind of hang out, maybe catch a ride or to eat. There are a few options, but we're going to check out Garden Grill and see what it has to offer. Oh, there's Pluto. Check. Kind of zoom in on it. And Mickey. Pluto and Mickey. We're going to get close to them.
Abby, look at Mickey.
Pretty cool.
You don't need that.